And you may also take a screenshots during the session for social media. If you unmute or turn on your camera during the session, you give us the consent to use your video and audio. In breakout rooms, you won't be recorded, so we encourage you to unmute and turn on your cameras in breakout rooms if you have any questions. We encourage you to turn on your cameras and use the mic here as well. But remember that you are giving us consent by unmuting yourself and using the camera to use the recording in our website. Okay, so this session's overview, we will be going over more about Shule Ignite, overviewing of the program content, how to get to earn points and prizes, and places to contact us. End of sessions gala, getting your coding environment set up, and games with your mentor. Who are we? Shule Ignite is a university student-run club aiming to make learning to code fun and accessible for all high school students. Our goal is to ignite a passion for programming, so stick around. So let's get to know you. We have a quick Zoom poll to get to know a bit more about all of you guys.
All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and share the poll, so everybody should be able to see the 3 questions right now, and then so please feel free to participate in the poll. It should be up. Are you all able to see the results for the polls? Okay, perfect. All right, I'm just going to stop sharing the results and we can keep going then.
Great. Okay, so a few words from our president. President of the Shule Ignite is Rajpreet Gill, software engineering with a minor in biomedical engineering at the University of Calgary.
Hi everyone, welcome to Shule Ignite. It's a pleasure to have all of you here. My name is Rajpreet and I am the current president at Shule Ignite. So Ignite is actually a club at the University of Calgary that aims to ignite a passion for programming, for coding in high school students and youth in general. So we actually offer beginner and advanced sessions. So in the beginner sessions, you can expect to learn a lot about the fundamentals of the programming language Python. And as part of the advanced sessions, the focus of these sessions is to teach you about object-oriented programming and what it is and how it's implemented. And so for the advanced sessions, we do ask that you have basic knowledge of programming and prior coding experience. And as well, the time span of this program is 8 weeks. And by participating in this program, our aim at Schulich Ignite is to be able to help and for you to be able to design and build a coding project at the end. So we do have a lot of projects from previous students featured on our Instagram page. So feel free to check those out to get some idea on what these can look like. And you will also be paired with a mentor. So you can expect to work with your mentor as well as other students in your group during the work sessions that we would have implemented in your workshops, which will be a chance for you to practice some of the concepts that you would have learned in the lecture. So you can expect mentors to be undergraduate or graduate students in different study fields. So this includes, but is not limited to engineering, computer science, and or other majors. And some mentors might actually be on an internship. So what that means is they might actually be doing their work experience term. And so it's a really great chance for you to network with these individuals to gain insight regarding the tech world, computer science, engineering, and anything really you'd like to know more about and inquire about. So it's a great opportunity for you to start building your network as well. An exciting event that I want all of you to look forward to is the Schulich Ignite Gala event. So this is an event where you will have a chance to present your project to your mentors, other students, your guests, and your industry speakers as well. So we do invite industry speakers. In the past, we have had speakers come in from Google, AMD, Dell, Cisco, and other exciting tech companies as well. So you can get a great insight on how it is to be working in the tech field and what's it's like, and especially as a software developer, if you're interested in that, and as well as other occupations in tech as well. So throughout the 8-week sessions, there will also be additional opportunities and events that you can attend. These will be arranged by your executive team here at Schulich Ignite. And I highly encourage you to attend these events to take full advantage of this opportunity, as it can really allow you to gain invaluable information and skills as well. So I really want all of you to benefit from this program as much as you can. And one way you can do that is to be by being proactive and participating in all the sessions as well as additional events we will have throughout the term. And with that, I hope you are all able to learn a lot and are able to develop your problem solving skills as well. All right, and with that, I do wish you all the best with your experience at Schulich Ignite, and I hope that you are able to make the most out of this great opportunity. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any one of us, your mentors, and or the Schulich Ignite exec team. We are all here to help you out and to ensure your Ignite experience is incredible. I'd also like to thank our mentors, Ignite exec team, sponsors, Dr. Moshever and Dr. Beshit for all the amazing work that they do and for being involved at Schulich Ignite and for making it possible for us to have these sessions. And thank you to all of you, our mentees and students, for being involved with Ignite. I hope you all have a great first session at Ignite, and I look forward to connecting with all of you throughout the 8-week sessions. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, what is software engineering and its benefits? Let's have an intro from Dr. Moshever. He's a PhD in software engineering, professor in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Calgary.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Schulich Ignite. My name is Mohammed Moshever. I'm a professor of software engineering at the Schulich School of Engineering. This program aims to teach programming to high school and university students. We have a mentorship-based model that really works. It allows our engineering students to work with you on a pretty much individual level to help you progress faster and learn these concepts. Many people have graduated from Schulich Ignite over the years and have been able to do quite well in university and later on because of the skills they learned in this program. This program started by collaboration with Google. The program was called Google Ignite at first, and we rebranded to Schulich Ignite. We were one of 3 universities from Canada that were selected by Google to run this mentorship program in. And we have been very successful thanks to the work of your mentors, our engineering students. Why do you want to learn programming? That is the question that you need to have a good answer for in order to do well in this class. Well, computer programs are everywhere. you can't do anything in life anymore without running some sort of software, from using your smartphone, driving a car, watching entertainment, anything and anything. And if you want to be an engineer, it doesn't matter what type of engineer you want to be, you're going to be working with tons and tons of data. So making sense of this data, automating tasks, you need computers for. And the use cases for software is increasing, meaning that we need more software every day. So it's important for you to learn programming, even if you don't want to be a software engineer, let's say. As a software engineer, you're going to develop software and you're going to make and design software that people use every day. But even if you're not a software engineer, you may want to write simple programs to process some data and help you do certain things and become computer literate. So these workshops are extremely important, and they're sort of your gateway in the world of computing. By the end of this workshop, you're going to have skills that are quite tangible. You're going to understand code and you're going to be able to write code. And it's really going to be the point of takeoff for you, because you can use these skills and accomplish a lot. Think of it this way. Think of it from when you learn the alphabet. When you learn how to read, then the world is your oyster. You go and read whatever you want. And this is the aim of this workshop, to make you computer literate. So you're able to write code, read code, and sort of join millions of people who have these skills and use it to accomplish cool things. So we want to make a deal with you. We are here for you. Thanks to our students, your mentors. They give up their Saturdays or their evenings to be here with you and to teach you how to program. We're going to be here with you and help you through learning these concepts. And if you promise that you join us every week and you put in the time for the next few weeks, we promise that you're going to have the skills to be able to build simple games, simple programs, and then you're going to be able to build on your skills going forward. So thank you again for joining us, and we hope to have an exciting class for you in the next few weeks. Thank you.
Okay, let's have an overview over our program. We're going to have 8 interactive and fun sessions, exercise, and we have an exercise and project-oriented approach. Creativity is highly valued, and workshops are meant to give students a hands-on experience with programming. We learn Python using Jupyter Notebook, which gives us an easy way to display stuff on the screen. Everything else we do is raw programming and very applicable to any other programming you do. We'll do this over 6 lectures, then we'll have 2 more to work on your own project. Maybe a game or a piece of art, or maybe even graphing programs. This will be very hands-on. We'll be practicing nearly everything we mentioned here. So here are the content that we're gonna cover. So session 1 is variable mouse movement setup and draw. Session 2 would be operators, moving objects. Session 3 is if statement, logical operators. Session 4, we talk about lists, loops, and in session 5, we talk more about loops. Session 6 would be about functions. Session 7, bonus topics plus free time, and session 8, Kahoot and free time. Okay, so here is our website. If you're behind in these slides, you can get them here in our website. You can see all the slides over here and easy access to all important links. Okay, so Ignite points. Points that can be collected to win prizes. You can collect them through consistent attendance, answering quick question exercises, submitting end of session exercises, submitting social media weekly challenges, and submitting end of term projects. And you can earn badges for being here and passing everything. So we have two categories. Pythonic lava and bug busters. The students are divided into two categories based on their skill level in coding. If you don't have any experience in coding, you would be bug busters, and if you have experience, you would be in Pythonic lava group. The students are competing against others in the same category. Each category gets a different exercise to submit, and each category has its own prizes. Okay, to check which category you are in, you can find your name in this spreadsheet. So if you open this through the slides, you can see which group you are in. The top 3 students with most Ignite points from each category by the end of the each 8 weeks win prizes. First would win a $75 Amazon gift card. Second, $50, and the third one, $25 Amazon e-gift card. And 3 additional students from each category will win a $10 Amazon e-gift card from the ticket system. Okay. In Ignite Point as a spreadsheet, you can see scoreboard for each category, find how many points you have, find how many points you receive for your submissions, find all the rules, and frequently asked questions. You can read about the projects, and here again, we have the link to the spreadsheet. If you have any question about Ignite Points, ask on hashtag Ignite Points or on Discord, or ask your assigned mentor. Okay, ticket system. For those not in the top 3, you will be able to use your Ignite point as tickets in our prize raffle. The more points you have, the higher the chance of winning a prize. Each 100 points equals 1 ticket. So a strict score. You will get rewarded for consistent attendance. For your first attended session, you get 5 points, but with each consecutive session you attend, you get 5 more points than you did in the last session. Let's see an example in the next slide. Say Anna is a mentee who attended all the 8 weekly sessions except for session 6. Anna gets 5 points on first session, 10 on session 2, and 20, so until she gets 25 on the 5th session. But not attending session 6, she gets 0 for that. And again, in session 7, it starts from 5, and session 8 would be 10 because she's getting more points by consecutive attendance. Okay. Slides with this icon have questions that can be answered for points. They are worth 10 to 20 points each, multiple choice answers, and can be answered through a poll which will pop up in Zoom. Okay. For end of session exercise and weekly challenges, there were 50 points each. Weekly challenges uploaded every Monday at 5 p.m. on our Instagram page, which is Schulich Ignite, and on our Facebook page, you can find it under Schulich Ignite. If you need to submit a program, you should have these. It should be a .ipynb file, and you should submit it to your relevant submission form. If you are in Blockbuster, submit your exercise to this form, and if you are in Pythonic Lava group, you submit your exercises to this form. So you have access to the slides, so you can have access to these links as well. Okay, so for weekly challenges, we are going to have them a little bit different from previous semesters. So badges, based on your participation and exercise submissions, you may also eligible to receive badges. Each badge is earned through different criteria and are worth different amounts of Ignite points. You can check all the badges here in this link. And Discord, join us on Discord, dedicated channel for your group. Ask your mentor questions outside of class time and show off any cool projects. So you can join it through this link here. So for Discord, for sign up for private group channel, check your email for your day of week and group number. Then on Discord, in the hashtag bot-comment channel, type in squad set and the rest. You can type that in, and yeah, you can sign up for your private group channel here. Note that the Discord bot is not live just yet, and for now you will be able to see a channel for each group and you can talk with your mentors here. Keep your eyes on the Discord and we will notify everyone once the bot is up. And for end of session Gala, we will be having a gala at the end of the 8 weeks to celebrate your completion of school Schulich Ignite. So you have the opportunity to show off your final project and learn more about software engineering from industry professionals. In the past, we had software engineering and managers from Google, Microsoft, and AMD attending and speaking about their experiences. So let's get started. So what are our tools? We have Python, the fourth most used and third best loved programming language around the world. We have our platform. It's a new platform at ignite.rnite.com. No downloads needed. Log in now on Chrome using a Google account. And we are going to have custom code we made to let you get right to coding. And we use Zoom for lectures and breakout rooms on Zoom for your questions and talking to your mentors. So if you want to get started, where can you do your coding? First, you need to log into this, and you need to go to File, New, and open a notebook. And then you can start coding. There are two toolbars. This button in this is on the second toolbar. So if you are here, you can write your code, type here, type your codes here in this cell. And with this button, you can run your code. And this gray rectangle is a cell. So you need to type your codes inside a cell, and you can have as many cells as you want. It's for like partitioning your codes, having it in different parts, so for better understanding. So you can click on the new cell and type. Here you can see like it's part of code typed here in a new cell. And you can press this button and toolbar, or you can press Shift Enter to run your code. So if you click the new cell and type this and press this button or Shift Enter, you're gonna run this part of code that you wrote. So if you are in doubt, or there is something that is not working good, you can ask your mentors and they will help you right away. And if your page reloads, run the last 4 steps again. Copy these things on the right. You can type, you can, so if the part of code is this thing, you type it and you press this, and you type this, at the end you press this button and it's gonna run, and the result would be printing hello world at the end. Okay. If you had problems with the platform, we will go into a quick breakout room to make sure everyone has it working, or if everything is working, you can also have a chat with your mentor about your possible questions. So it's time to play some games. You will now be sent to a breakout room with your mentor. You're going to have some introduction activity. We're going to talk about it in the next slide. You can ask any questions you may have, and you can play some games. So the icebreaker activities that you can use in your group are these. You can talk about yourself, say your name. You can say what is your favorite smell, and name something about programming that interests you. And games to play are here are some game ideas, but if you have any other ideas, you can use them. You can say 2 truths and 1 lie, and the rest can guess which one is your lie. You can have trivia, you can play Among Us, and you can play using this link. Okay. So are we gonna have the breakout rooms now?
Yeah, I'm just gonna open up all of them right now. And if you're not assigned, it's just because I don't know, it might just be you're not logged into Zoom using the same email, or your name appears different. So I'll just ask you your name and then you can just let me know that. But if you do get the pop-up, please feel free to join the breakout room. If you do not get a pop-up, can you just please text me here and in the chat your name that you signed up using the sign-up form for Schulich Ignite, your name, and then I can just assign you with the proper breakout room then. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do we just have 7 more, so we'll just do that one by one then. Okay, so I got a pop-up. I'm just gonna try assigning you again. So is it just the reconnecting name, and then there's one more that I can't seem to find the name associated like that? Okay, you're in group 6, all right. Thank you for letting me know. I'm just gonna assign you group 6 right now. Okay, and there's just one more. Shanam Craigie, if you are here, just let me know your name and then I can sign you with the name that you signed up for Schulich Ignite.
So
I'm just gonna give you access to, I'll make you the
this name that you said, they say that they're a teacher and they're here to bring in a computer option to join this group to see how your group set up a computer training course. I'm not sure what this is about. You?
Not, I think I kind of missed what you said. Can you just please say that again?
It says I'm the teacher that has been asked to bring in a computer option. I asked to see to join this group to see how your group sets up a computer training course.
Right, okay. I'm just going to make you the co-host then, so you can actually go in different breakout rooms and then. Okay, perfect. Yeah, no worries. So you'll be the co-host, which means that you can actually join different breakout rooms. And you should be able to join them. You should be able to switch out of a breakout room and then sort of go through all of them if that's okay with you. All right, perfect. There's just a room that's asking for help right now, so I'll just quickly pop into room 10 and I'll be right back if that's okay. Okay, seems like we're having some issues with the servers platform, so it's not loading. So I'm thinking we should leave the breakout rooms until 2:10 to 15. Yeah, because we do have an up until 2:30, so we can leave it up,
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
20 as well. And then when they come back, they can either choose to stay or they can,
Yeah, and there's just one slide left.
yeah, it's just this one. Yeah, it just seems like there are a lot of issues with the platform.
Oh.
That's the only thing right now, so. So our next session would be next Saturday, and I'm sure the slides will go up before Saturday. You'll have access to them. I'm pretty sure Friday by the latest, or Thursday even.
Yeah, I have access to these slides in content development, and like there are slides over there. But are we gonna have new slides?
Yes, I think there would be slight changes, so you can actually access all of them if you go to the website and then to beginners, and then it'll go ahead and upload all of the slides here as well.
Sure. So I'm gonna check everything, like these slides today and the website and everything, and then I ask my questions, and like the recording from yesterday, when I'm gonna have access to them. The mentor.
Oh, right. Okay. So Pooja will actually send you the recording. I think, yeah, we can send it to you today. I think it should be ready to go.
That's good. So I can ask any possible questions that I have by next Saturday, and like start confidence that I know everything.
No worries. I'll be available on Slack, so if there are any questions. And if you don't have access to these slides by Friday latest, then do contact Dimitar or myself, and then we can try to get you these slides. Yeah, just the platform issue for everyone now. We just have one more member join us. I'm going to just look if you're supposed to be assigned to a breakout room. All right, I'm going to send you in breakout room number 9. So right now, all of the mentees are just with their mentors in breakout rooms, and we're just sort of doing a bunch of icebreakers, games. So I'm going to go ahead and send you to room number 9. Do you have any questions? Feel free to use the chat, or you can unmute as well.
Hi, Rajpreet.
Hello, yeah.
Hi, sorry, I was just kind of floating through the breakout rooms, and in room 12, Yazan is saying that he does not have access to share his screen. He wanted to show the mentees something.
All right, okay, so can you tell him to come back to the, I have to assign him to co-host. And I think we can do it. If you can just come back to the main room, and then I can just sign in as co-host. You can go back to.
For sure, I will do that. I'll be right back then.
I'm on mute. But if you go back to the breakout room, then you should be able to share your screen now. I'll just go ahead and sign you. Actually, you should be able to join the breakout room again. So room number 12, and then you should be able to share your screen now. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to make you the co-host. Okay, perfect. You should be able to share your screen.
Okay, awesome. And then the mentee that's not supposed to be in my room.
Right.
they're under the name Bella, but I think their name is Tom. So I think that's probably why. They're in Hitane's group.
Okay, I do have Isabella for you in the Excel sheet.
Yeah, I have Isabella. She's in my room, but I just
Okay.
have someone named Bella on the Zoom, but their name is actually Tom, and they're in Hitane's group.
All right. Okay. They're in. Yeah. Yeah. So should I find them, or do you think that for today?
It's okay. I can just take them. All right. I'm just gonna go back.
All right.
Is it working yet? I'm not sure what else to do with
yeah,
them.
no.
We played a couple games and.
Okay, so only thing that we have left to do is just this slide. So your mentees are free to leave. Just remind them to join the Discord channel. And then in terms of the platform, I have contacted the developers for the website and they have not gotten back to me yet. So we do have to keep that on hold as of right now until the next session.
Okay, so but we can't do the intro thing where they download Spark or whatever.
Right. Yeah. So you either play a couple more games, icebreakers or anything like that, but you are free to leave as long as you just remind them to join the Discord channel. And then they also have joined the specific group that you're in, so they can contact you on Discord.
Which, sorry?
Oh, sorry, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I'm just saying, just make sure that your mentees and you are in contact on Discord. If they have any questions outside of the session time, then they can contact you on Discord.
Okay, and then so we do that thing with the bot. And it puts us into the group.
Yes, like, yeah. Have your mentees do that as well.
The bot command squad set Saturday 10 for me, I guess.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll tell them to do that then. Breakout 10. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, I mean, all my mentees are, I gave them the whole spiel on the Discord and everything, so I think we're all good. I let them go because, I mean, right now we can't really use servers, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to send a quick message on Saturdays then, and then I'm just going to remind everybody that they are free to, oh, I mean, the mentors have to stay behind, but the mentees are good to go if, you know.
Sure, sounds good. Should I send a link to the debrief channel or for the debriefs or anything, or because yeah, I don't think anyone's really posted their link to their debrief chat, to their debrief, sorry, debrief Zoom link.
Oh, okay. You know what? I was just thinking I can just do it here. Like put you guys in breakout rooms.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, that works too. Honestly, yeah, we could just do that. Just have bigger rooms.
Right. It's just, yeah, because we don't have many mentors. We've only got 12. So it's just gonna
Yeah.
take back to put everybody, but like, what do you think?
Yeah,
Easier?
yeah, I think that's a good idea. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and send a quick. Yeah, it's just the issues with platform now that I'm not sure. I think everybody was experiencing those today.
Yeah, yeah, it didn't work for any of us, I think.
I'm not sure if that's just because of many people trying to go on it at the same time, or it's just because last night I checked and it was working.
Yeah, it might be that.
Hey, sorry to interrupt. I was just kind of checking back in. Is there any particular breakout room that you wanted me to go to? I've been sort of like floating in and out, and everyone seems like they're playing games, having fun, kind of meeting each other.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, no breakout room has asked for any help. There's just the issues with the platform, but other than that, I think it'll be okay. So
Yeah.
you can just do that, or you can just stay here as well. But,
Oh, I mean, I can still kind of float through. I've been going to breakout rooms either like if they're not talking, like suggesting. If they are talking, then I don't want to like interrupt that, you know?
yeah. For sure.
But and also if anyone had questions about the server being down, just let them know. But I did get one question.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, sorry. The question, I think it was from breakout room 12. They were asking if the exercises are automatically saved or if they have to like save them themselves.
They have to save them themselves, and yeah, you have to do that. Just like save all the notebooks that you would have.
All right.
So yeah, so then also I think, okay, so advise them to save it as well. But we will sort of let them know beforehand when the session or when the server goes down so that they can actually, you know, download everything that they sort of had from the server and keep all their work. But for now, just advise them that they save their work often.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'll go relay that information to them.
All right.
So I have a question. Are we doing, is it generally just Saturdays or are we doing Sundays and Saturdays? Is this just for like this week type thing, like for the intro?
Yeah,
that we meet on Sundays?
Right, yes. So session 0 for all of the Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday is today on Sunday, but next week we will have our session on Saturday, and that's sort of when we'll have our session 1 and then so forth up until session 8. And that'll be on Saturdays, yeah.
And we have to say and do the debrief thing. And okay, so we
Right,
come before 10 minutes before and get everything ready, right? And then just work with the mentees for the slides and whatever they have to do. And then we stay after they leave to debrief and like log it, right?
Yes, that's exactly it. That's right.
Perfect.
We still do have a couple more breakout rooms open with their mentees, so.
Yeah, all mine left, so I'll just wait here then.
Yeah, so all of the breakout rooms, they do have up until 2:30, and then after that we will close them. So then at 2:30, we'll go ahead and assign all of the mentors into different breakout rooms, so then you guys can all have your debrief sessions then. Just a question in the chat, so I'm not sure if so we actually do use our own platform. It's called the Fahrenheit website, and it's a Jupyter lab that's implemented in that. Unfortunately, today we're having some issues with that, so it's not loading for everyone, and we think it might just be due to everyone trying to log in at the same time. So we do code in Python, and then we use our own platform. I'm going to send you the link, but do keep in mind that it's not working today just because there's a lot of people trying to log in at the same time. Perhaps you can try to log in later today or tomorrow. Access to that. Sorry, just give me a sec. I'm trying to. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the breakout rooms, and then we can start the mentor debrief session right after that. And then Rusumi, I think if you just want to sort of, I guess, share that slide again, just so the returning mentees can just take a quick look at that, and then yeah, the mentees should be good to leave after that. All right, I think we have everyone back. So for all the mentees, thank you so much for attending today's session. Before you go, just remember to join our Discord channel, and we will try to have the website fixed for next session. And that should be it for today's session. Again, thank you all for coming. And mentors, just please stay behind. We will have debrief sessions. See you all next time, next Saturday, and it'll be at 11 a.m.
Okay, bye.
Have a good day, everyone.
Okay, I think that should be all. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the breakout rooms. And for all the mentors, you should have a pop-up again for breakout rooms, and then please feel free to join that and participate in the debrief sessions.
Okay, what should I do?